Searching how to buy shares of Pensana Plc. Pensana develops rare earth mineral projects and it trades on the LSE plc under the ticker PRE.L. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search field and type the ticker PRE.L to locate the company. Confirm you have the correct Pensana listing on the LSE and select the matching result. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for PRE.L. Double-check the issuer name, market, and ticker to make sure this is the correct asset. To invest, click the Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed as a market opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your Pensana position will appear in your portfolio and order history. A link to the broker used in this example is in the video description if you want to explore the platform further.